Hey guys, so today we're going to look at HTML block codes for quotations, and then after that we're gonna run it also with DeepSeek AI just to see what it's gonna give to us. So, what is a block code? So, as you can see there, the block code help us for things like testimonials, things like that, and then we have certain other elements. So, as you can see, we have that. An example for codes. If you click and check, so you can see there is a different codes that we have there. Yeah, so you can see even the styling is kind of like different. Yeah, so this is the way that you set up your code. You can see we have the block codes, and then after that we have the citation, as you can see there, where you can put your URL here, and then after that we have the attributes. All right, so now you can see the HTML block quotes element define a section that is quoted from another sources. So we have it there. And then for short quotation, so the HTML queue tag define a short quotation. Browser normally insert quotation marks around the quotation. So yeah, you can see that. You can even use this, but most of the website page that you're gonna be building, you're gonna see they're gonna generate a block quote instead of queue. But you can also use it. As you can see there, we have this queue which gives you already the double quote, which is great. But most of the time, you're gonna start to use this for testimonial or messages or something like that. Yeah. Okay. So now, as you can see, we have also another one, HTML abbreviations. So the HTML abbreviation tag define an abbreviation or an acronym like HTML, CSS, Mr., DR, SAP, HTML, and so forth. So making abbreviations can give useful information to browser, translation system, and search engines. So use the global title attribute to show the description for the abbreviation acronym when you mouse over the element. I'm gonna test this one here. The WHO, as you can see, was founded in. So there's the abbreviation there, and then after that the title, and then we have the address. The HTML address tag define the content information for the author, owner of a document or an article. So the content information can be an email address, physical address, phone number, social media, etc. So you can have something like this, and then after that we have the break HTML tag. As you can see, is the address, and then visit us at this our address. See, and then after that the email address, and then after that you can put the phone number. Yeah, you can try to put the phone number there. You put your break. As you can see, that is we put the address, open and closing tag, and then we have the break HTML tag. Okay, so now go down to HTML cite for work title. So we have the HTML cite tag define the title of creative work. So book, a book, a poem, a song, a movie, a painting, a sculpture. Person name is not the title of a work. So as you can see here, if you can do a test. So we have that there. So the HTML cite element define the title of the work. So this is the way that we have, as you can see there, you can put it down there. So this one, you're going to use it more when we are building the blog. So yeah, it can help more when you put the picture of picture or the video, and then after that you can use these things there as well, these attributes. We have the bidirectional override. BDO stands for bidirectional overrides. So as you can see, this will return from right to left. So you can see there. So yeah. All right. So this one you like rarely going to use this one here. So okay, after that you can see we have the abbreviation address, video, block, code, cite, and queue. So as you can see, all the definition are there. Okay, so let's go to now citation, and then let's go to DeepSeek. Uh, what can a beginner learn about HTML quotation and citation element? Okay, so HTML provides several elements specifically designed for marking up quotation and citation. These elements help structure content semantically, making it easier for search engines, screen reader, and other tools to understand. So as you can see here, this one example, and then after that we have another one. Yes, we did see that. Okay, that's also we did see that. Everything there, we see that. You can run it and then you can see. See that you can run it and see. Yeah, so all those are all the example. As you can see there, you can put your link inside the address tag, and then we have a video. All right, as you can see, all this text will be written from right to left. So yeah, so this is the what you have to learn about the quotations. So most of the you're gonna use this in our when you build the website pages. So what we use most of the time is block quotes, queue, and address. Yeah, and rarely citation and stuff like that. All right. Okay. So that's it. If you like this video, click a thumbs up and subscribe for more.